Good morning, 9:16 a.m., 11/10/2013. Bellwether, long anticipated IPO that everyone thought, that price on Twitter uh, was extremely overbought. And one of the things that I'm going to say is, unlike Facebook, when Facebook had their trading, is that Facebook did something similar. It made a high, and I just want to cover what Twitter did on Friday. We have some live trading videos of the IPO. One of the things that we're going to show you is that on the 30-minute chart, we're going to show you what the range was. Here, the high was 46.94. The low was 40.69. That was Twitter's major first support level from the previous day's close of 44.90 from its IPO. One of the things that we will point out on Twitter is, why do these things end up in a bad way for investors? Investors want to get in Twitter so bad, even including my son. Oh, I want to buy Twitter. I want to buy Twitter. I said, no. You wait for the first quarterly report, or you wait for Twitter to sell down. The high on Twitter was $50. Twitter had already sold from the $50 high on 11/7 at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, cleared down here to the intraday low of 40.69. That is almost a $10 reversal from the high. Now, the reason we like Twitter from a market maker's perspective and for people that trade intraday is that, number one, it has volume, because it does. That was the volume there. The volume on the day that it made the high up here at 50.09, that volume was also very, very high on its opening day. The volume here, when we take a look at, this is 30-minute volume, not daily volume. This is 30-minute volume. That 30-minute opening bell volume, I just want people to know, that's 7,951,000 shares. The opening volume here on Friday on 11/8, that 30-minute volume there was 2.9 million shares, so it would come down considerably. But still, for an intraday or market making, is buying at support and selling at resistance, and learn how to trade Twitter. One of the things that will be very forthright with you, if you're new to this game, if you want to trade Twitter, simply go to trading, click on the free trial tab. Once you click on that tab, you can get started today. Simply click on it and follow the instructions. If you want to open an account and have direct access to the market and great execution, click on Open an Account tab. Go through the page thoroughly. Read the content, listen to the videos, click on Open an Account, click Get Started Today, understand what the pattern day trading rule is to you. How does that affect you? If your account's below $25,000, you can only do 3 intraday trades, and then they're going to restrict you to cash. Okay, go through everything here. It's all right here. If you're trading on one of these online discount brokerages, you don't have order routing systems like we do. You can get involved. We have many programs. Yes, we will put up the trading capital. It takes money to make money. It really does. So, Twitter is the IPO that everybody wants to own. And we're telling people that Twitter can go a lot lower here because of one thing. When you get into the fundamentals on Twitter, you have to understand what that 1,000-page document was and what their risk parameters, their earnings per share, operating per share, and a whole lot of other things that go involved in that. And what is the true value on Twitter? We know what that value is, and we're here to let you know that you can get involved with stockmarketfunding.com, and we will go over the fundamentals with you thoroughly so that you will know not to be a retail buyer. Now, if you're a trader and you're a market maker and you're an institutional intraday trader, Twitter has plenty of volume on it. You can get your entries at support, and you can sell into resistance, and you can trade Twitter every single day of the week for months over end. I will just let you know that somebody that's buying Twitter up here at these highs and wanting to hold on to it is, listen, there's nothing wrong with keeping a stop, and there's nothing wrong with buying at much lower prices. We don't have a lot of chart data. It's only been public for 2 days. That's why I'm using the 30-minute chart here. One of the things that I will be happy to show very quickly, you can see on a 3-minute level where the peak was on a 3-minute level. You can see on a 3-minute level where that major wall of resistance and where the major wall of support was. You can also see where it had come up and tested where it broke down in this bar. Went straight down. This is the trading that people were doing. This is the public, what the public was doing. This is where the low was on a 15-minute level. Here was the breakdown, so you can see it a little bit clearly. Back over here, you can see on a 3-minute, 6-minute, 9-minute to support at 42.57. This is all on a 3-minute level, and it's for intraday. If you want to trade Twitter intraday, you can do that. And you can do it with us right here. This is where that support was, and buyers stepped in. As we move forward, there's going to be lower support levels. Learn how to trade Twitter, the IPO. Learn how to get involved with stockmarketfunding.com. Learn how to understand Twitter's fundamentals moving forward over the next calendar year.